Today we will learn about good habits. First we have get up early in the morning for your healthy lifestyle. Do exercise daily. It keeps you fit and fine. Take bath daily to feel fresh and energetic to do everything. Go to school daily to be a good person in your life. Do your homework by yourself, which is given by your teacher. Keep your school bag neat and clean. Your all notebooks and books should be organized. Wash your hands before eat. This habit keeps doctor away. Respect your elders. Do help in their work. Do not write on the walls. It is bad habit. Cut your nails. Use dustbin only. Do not throw garbage here and there. Help your parents in their work how much you can. This is good habit. Keep your room neat and clean and do your work by yourself. Always grow plants more and more. Keep our environment clean and green. Always eat fruits and vegetables. It makes you healthy. Use of golden words. Sorry, please, thank you. Share your things and food with your cousins and friends because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video and share it with your friends. Bye bye. Take care.